us a lightning talk on using regular expressions in Erlang.
Hello, I am Anatoly Kosarukov from Kaliningrad, Russia. I would like describe a little bit remodel of Erlang ecosystem and present you what I have found while researching that library. Let me share screen. Can you see my presentation?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Oh, super. I'm start. I'd like to share my experience of using a regular expression in Erlang. This is the plan of my short talk. Regular expressions are great when you need to pause the text, replace one text with another, or break it into parts. To solve this, you need re-module. Regular expressions in Erlang are based on the functionality of the Perl-compatible regular expressions library. The documentation for re-module is very extensive, very huge, but unfortunately, it only generalizes some main regular expressions options. Probably because of this generalization, some features are not described in the documentation, but nevertheless, they exist and work in Erlang. For example, I discovered that, like Microsoft.NET and Java Standard Library, the re-module provides the ability to use union, intersection, and subtraction of character classes. I've checked how it works in Erlang using eUnit tests, and it turned out that this functionality is compiled and runs completely as it was expected. Despite the fact that regular expressions significantly reduce the time for writing code and reduce the complexity of the code, I have to say, there is no books on regular expressions in Erlang. That's why developers themselves have to apply experience, ideas, achievements of the regular expressions experts to the possibilities of re-module. As for me, I reconsidered the material of such books as Michael Fitzgerald's book Introducing Regular Expressions and Ben Forter's book Learning Regular Expressions, and also some others. I reconsidered their material and thus have created Rebirth 3 projects for Erlang. This is one. As a result of this research, I have implemented a number of helper libraries, which I posted on hex.pm. Here you can find everything I've just talked about. Thank you for your attention. You're welcome with your questions.
Anatoly?
Yes?
Is there some question? Oh no. Yeah, on the side, I am trying to check the program and see something that is confusing me.
What?
Trying to figure out whether we need to recover some time after our lightning talks. But yeah, thank you very much for your talk.
Thank you.
We'll check it out.
Yes, we'll check the library out and talk to you more in the lounge area. We have one more lightning talk for this session, and this comes from Marcel Lantz from eigr.io, which is a serverless runtime on the Beam. And Marcel, you're with us on the stage.